Like a little chipmunk. Right, we're leaving. Oh, that's us checking out. Dropping all this shit. Yeah, we're leaving Khao now. Had a few days here, it's been brilliant. Similar Islands, Pragna Bay, whatever you call it. We've had a really good time, but now we're going to Phi Phi, through Maya Bay and stuff like that. So we're travelling down taxi to Phuket, get a ferry from Phuket over to the Phi Phi Islands. I'm really looking forward to this bit. So it's been good. That's mad, that little chipmunk, innit? I think it's a chipmunk. Keep touching stuff. But yep, we are off now. So catch us in Phi Phi. Have you taxi like this before?
I did see it on a YouTube video. Taxi in it?
Right. So we've got here from Khao. We're now in Phuket, Rassada Harbour. This is where we go to over to Phi Phi Island, and we stay there for a few days. It took us about over 2 hours on a minibus down to here, and it cost us about 40 quid between us. So it's unreal. Cheap as chips. But yeah, so our ferry comes in about. We can either get a ferry or a speedboat, but we're getting a speedboat. It takes 2 hours on a ferry and an hour on a speedboat. So we're on our way there now. Just had a quick piss and tab. Yeah, it's lovely. This is Phuket. So we're on our way there now. So just catch us in a bit. How much does that cost, ma'am?
79 baht.
What's that?
About 150.
£1.50. I think that's mango and what?
It's strawberry light, no, mango, passion fruit, pineapple and yogurt.
About £1.50 that was.
Gorgeous, aren't they?
Oh, sit aside. Sit aside.
Yeah.
My grandma and your grandma sitting by the fire. My grandma said to your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about henna, henna, wicka wicka wane, chicken morfino anane, chicken morfinane. Look at my king all dressed in red, wicka wicka wane. Bet you $5 he'll kill you dead. Chicken morfinane, talking about henna, henna, wicka wicka wane, chicken morfino anane.
for a view. So that isn't an unreal view. That is mint.
Step out into the dawn. You pray till the lights come on, and then you feel like you've just been born. Yeah, you come to raise me up when I'm beaten and broken up, and now I'm back in the arms of love.
How good is that?
Just die. I think I just died. Yeah, I think I just died. I think I just died. I'm meant to hit by your loving truck, and now you could come to raise me up. I think I just died. I think I just died. Yeah, I think I just died. I think I just died. Tonight, whoa, we gon' be birds and fly. We're gonna set the world alight. We're gonna lose ourselves tonight. Whoa, in heaven.
A little walk around Phi Phi on a night, mammy.
Yeah, lovely, aren't it? Hiya, darling.
Loads of nice restaurants. Restaurants and skunk shops. I'll get off.